Hello and welcome. My name is Muhindo, and in this video I'm going to show you the project that you are going to create for alumni management system. So as you can see, I'm already at the home page, and here we shall see the company logo at the home page and a simple introduction about the company or the association or the organization. Then here we shall have an instruction which tells us to sign in, because we cannot access the system inside it before we have an account that allows us to enter into the system. So if I don't have an account, I can as well sign up. So if you don't have an account, you can click here to sign up. So I'll click here to sign up, and then this form will be displayed. So I'm going to create an account. Say I'm called maybe Mariam Musa. That's my name, and then my email is maybe mariam@gmail.com, and then I'll keep my password as simple as 1234, and I'll confirm it as 1234. So password have to match in order the account to be created. So I'll agree with terms and condition of this association, and then these terms can be placed on this link. So I'll click on agree and then click on sign up. But if I change my mind, I want to cancel, I can simply click on this cancel to remove the form. So I click on sign up, and my account will be created. So once my account is created, I will not be allowed into the system. For example, if I try to enter into the system, I won't be allowed until my account is verified. That's why I can see this page: congratulations, my account has been created, but I cannot enter into the system until the administrators verify my account. And if it takes long, I can contact the administrators on this number. So this will be contacts for the administrators. So my task will be just come on this page and refresh to see if my account has been verified by administrators. Or I can as well log out by clicking on this logout, and then I'll be taken back to to home. So until the account is verified, it will by administrators of the system, then that member will be able to access into the account. So I have accounts that are already verified, and I'm going to use one to log into the system. And one is called admin@gmail.com, and the password is 1234. So I'll click on sign in order to do what? To log into the system. But before we go there, I forgot to show you something. So I've logged out. So if you forget your password, you can as well click on this link, and then you'll be able to put your email, and then we shall send you the verification for the password. But I've not shown you that. So I'll cancel and log in again. So I'll put the email of admin@gmail.com and password 1234. And if I want to keep my account logged in, I'll just click on remember me, and then I click on sign in. Then I'll be taken into the system. So that's the system, and this is where you begin from when you enter into the system. So before we start exploring everything, I'll begin by very basic and important information that we have to begin with, which is the company information. We've made this system in a way that the company information can be modified anytime by the administrators. So to do that, you simply come here on company information here, and that information will be accessed by only system administrators. So when you click on company administration, you'll see this simple profile, and it is editable. So here you can change the name of association in case there is a need, and here you can change the abbreviation of the association, and then here you can change the email of the association, you can change the location and the description of the association. So this will help to make the system flexible. Like in case you want to change what should appear here, or what should be seen on search engine, it can be done here by the system administrators. And still again, you can change the company logo by simply clicking on this icon, and then you'll be able to select another different logo in case there is a need to. And then that logo, when you click on update, all the company information will be updated, and the whole system will be updated according to what you have entered. So you can access that one by simply coming under here, company information, and only people who are logged in as administrators can be able to modify this. So we proceed to the navigation. So to start looking at the navigation, I'll click here on home, and then we see how we can navigate through the system. So to navigate through the system, we have made it to be as simple as possible. First of all, you have this right side navigation, whereby you can click here and then you'll be able to see the information that is about you person who is logged in. For example, your profile, your inbox, and your notifications, you can find them here in case there is some. And then I'll close here to close that right navigation. Then we shall come to the left navigation, which is the main navigation, that will have important links that can help us to browse through the system. Among them, we have the all profile, my profile, and other important links that will help users to browse into the system. Then we have this navigation, top navigation also, that can help us, for example, to access important information. Like if I want to see news or what has been posted, I can come and click here, or I can click on profiles, see profiles, events, as well as searching into the system. So to search into the system, anything that I want to search, either a member or any post that is related to a certain keyword, so I can simply click here and I can start typing. When I enter 3 letters, for example, let me say jobs, then when we shall implement the back end, you'll see the jobs will be anything that is having a term job, either member or anything, it will be placed here. We shall place it here, and then someone can be able to do what, to browse to wherever they want to go to. So I'll close this one. It will be important to search into the whole system. Then we have this icon that will help us to find the notification or the simple information that we may need, that is so handy, like the number of messages that we've received, the new post, the new profile, the news, and the rest. So we can simply find this one here, and here we have the chat. In case you want to go to the chat system, to the chatting, go to your messages, you can click here, and then you'll be able to do what, to visit your messages. So those are the navigation. You see I have 3 navigation. The right hand navigation, which is about you and your profile and the information about you in the system. And then we have the left hand navigation, which is having important links that will help us to browse through the system. And then we have this top navigation that will help us also to browse through the system. Among them, we have the search toolbar, which is very important to search through anything in the system. So those are the navigations. Then we proceed to the home page. So this is the home page. You can access the home page by simply clicking on this icon. I remember this icon is dynamic according to the abbreviation of the association's name that we saw how we can set just in this when this video began. And I can simply click on that icon. I can click on this home icon, and then I'll be able to access the home. So let us explore what has been placed in the home. So we have this left hand sidebar and the right hand sidebar, and this main feed scrolling. So in the left hand sidebar, we shall put the most important notification or announcement or anything event. The administrators will be able to place it here. Assume that there is a call for scholarships in a certain field, so administrators will be able to put the most important information on this one, because when someone logs into the system, this is what they'll look at first, either if they are using mobile phones or not. Then we have or they're using desktop, this is what they'll look at first. So anything that is very important will be placed here. Assume it's an event or anything. So we shall also display here some important snippets. For example, the new members who have joined this month, we shall place them here and their number. We shall place here active members who have logged in so far in this year, and shall place here the latest post that have been posted previously, and then shall place here the new profiles or all profiles that have been created in this system. And in case we shall put here an action button. And this action button can be any kind of button according to what the system owners will will do what? Will suggest. So that is the left hand navigation, which is having some basic information that is handy to everyone who logs into the system. Then we have the right hand side navigation. Among them we have, we have in this one we have upcoming events. So all the events that are upcoming will be placed here. I mean the most top events for upcoming, they'll be placed here, and someone will be able to filter for this month or for the next month, and they'll be placed here. So in case someone wants to see all, we shall put a link that will click that in case that will click on, and we shall show you all the upcoming events page. And if someone want to read about an event, they'll just simply click on this icon, and then they'll be able to read about the event. So we come here, below that events we have feedback, and here in feedback we shall allow members to do what? To suggest how we should improve the system. So here since they are logged in, we shall keep their name already in this field. So their task is just write the message and do what? And submit it. Then we shall get those feedbacks, and we shall be able to do what? To work upon them to improve this on the system. So, and still here can be anything, but this is just our suggestion for the developers. So that's the right hand side bar and the left hand side bar, and you can have some hand information, and they'll not be scrollable, they'll be fixed, but on the mobile phone they'll be scrollable. So we have this main feed for scrolling, and on top here a member who is logged in, they can publish anything. So I've used the one dummy member, who Farida Nakazibwe. I think she's also an OG of Islamic University in Uganda, so I've used her as just a default user. So in case someone is logged in, they can publish anything, or they can post anything that is important to the alumni, and according to the system owners, you will decide whether to allow this post to go directly to into the system, or to the public, or to be first confirmed before it goes to the public. So that will be up to to you, the system owners. Then here we should, for example, you have a message, say there is 15 scholarships, for example, and then blah blah blah. Okay, so in this editor will give you ability to underline, to bold items, to underline, and to perform some other formatting elements, such as strike through and the rest, as well as placing the links and uploading the images. All that we shall allow you, we shall enable you to do that, to format your post that you want to post. Then afterward, they write what they want to post, then they can do what? They can publish. So that will be the first field that will enable our users to share their minds, or to share what they think is important to the alumni. So according to the system administrators, you will tell us whether we should allow this post to go directly into the public, or to be first confirmed by the system administrators before they go to the public. It will be up to you to tell us what to do. So after, we shall have then the latest posts, and these are the latest publications. For example, here we have someone who has just posted this one, just Beatrice, for example, any member, they have just posted, and here we shall put the topic that they posted about, and then here we shall put here some quick notification, quick menu, since it is just a demo. So we shall leave this one the way it is, but if we implement this system, we shall put here some quick action menus, action menu. Then here will be the content of this post, and then here it will be the number of comments or the replies, and here will be the number of likes or interest that people are shown. And in case you want to comment on this, you can just simply write, "This is my simple reply." So in case someone want to comment on that post, they can simply place here their view, and then it will be attached to this one as a what, as a comment, and then they'll click here, and then that will be submitted, will be attached to this one as what, as a response or a comment to what was posted. So if you scroll here, we will show you another snippet of the new members. We shall show like at least 5 new members, their image, their name, their brief description or their brief introduction, and then their link. So if you want to see their profile, you can just click there, and then we shall take you to their profile. We shall just show you the most latest 5 that have joined, and in case you want to see all, you can click here, and then we will take you to the all what, to all members. So when you scroll on bottom, when you keep on scrolling, then this will be other dynamic posts that people will be able to post. And you can see among the posts that you shall allow a post that can have a thumbnail. Maybe it's a publication of someone who has published a book, so they can post here, and other members can share their minds. And you can see this was a post. This I just used my dummy content to just represent how the system look like. For example, this post, and this is a post, and it has 24 comments, 75 likes, and these are the replies that people have been responding to this post or the comments. And you can scroll, you can see other posts, and other posts will also be here. So like that, just this will be the feeds of what is happening, whether there's an announcement from the administrators, where there is anything, information to communicate to the system members. So when you click here, load more feeds, it will be able to do what, to load more feeds, as you can see, as you have seen. And then I shall have important links such as about us, the team, the contact, and then the link to the developer. So here we shall have just important links. So that will be the simple home page that we'll have in this system, and this home page can be modified according to what you, the system owners, will want. So we proceed to what, to profiles. So if you want to see people's profiles, there are 2 ways. You can either click here on profiles, or you can also click here on profiles, this link, and then also you can as well click on this navigation menu, the left hand navigation menu. This item will be able to take you to the profile. So let me click on one of these. Let me click here. So when I click here, I'll be able to be taken to all the profiles of members who are registered in this system. So in these profiles, we have this important menu that has just been added, and these are the other navigation, the bottom navigation of top, the navigation that is on the bottom of this top navigation that was there before. So this one will allow us to search among members, and this one will show the number of profiles that are already registered in this system. And then here we shall be able to search among only members. Okay, remember this one will search across the whole system, but this one will only search about the profiles. So here we shall put some important snippets such as new profiles, most popular profiles. We shall put them here, and then here we shall have the filter button that in case you click there, you can be able to do what, to filter. Maybe you want the profile of males only, profile of females, profile of members or the alumni who only got the diploma at IU or at this university, profile of members who have the degree, who got the degree, profile of members who got their masters at this university, profiles of only members at the particular university. So we shall be able to sort according to these filters. Okay, and you can find that filter here. So after that, we shall have now profiles of different members, and we'll be able to move to different pages by simply clicking on these page numbering. We can also change the number of profiles that should be displayed per page by just simply clicking here, and then you filter what you want to display per page. So let us look at a single snippet of a profile. We shall, in a profile, we shall put a picture of someone. Then we shall put here some action to work on this profile. Then we shall have a simple description about a profile, and then their field of where they're working in, and then their social media links, and the link to do what, to go to visit their profile. And here there is also a quick message quick message link, and if you click here, we'll be able to do what? To take you to their what? To the to their chats, and you'll be able to send them messages. But before we go there, let us first exploit here a profile of a member. So to view a profile of a member, you simply click on view profile, and then this is how we have designed the profile of a member so far. We shall have profile, and here the name of a member, and then here we shall have a link to edit this profile in case you are that member. And this is how it looks like. So here we shall give simple snippet that will show the member's photo, the name, and in case this member is part of the administrator, we shall give them a tick. Okay, in case it's part of the administrator. But if you're not an administrator, we shall not give you what? We shall not give you a tick. And then we shall put here the day they joined, the last scene. We shall put here that information about them. We shall put a brief introduction about this member, and then the link for you to do what? To send the message to this member. And then we'll have basic information about this member in this field, and then we'll have the program that this member attend at this university. And here there's something important that I would like you to know. Here in basic information, in case you want only females, you will just simply, for example, if she's a female, when you click here, then we shall only show you, we shall bring all the profiles that are females. For example, the nationality in Uganda, if you click here, then we shall bring all the profiles of Ugandans, and the date of birth can be mentioned or not mentioned. And then here we shall show you the years that of different program that this member achieved at what? At IU, at this university. And then we shall have, in case they achieved, for example, if you click on this year, then we shall bring the members who graduated in that year. And in case you click here, then we shall bring you all the members that achieved that particular course, like that. We shall can also sort according to the field that what they achieved, as well as what at the university campus that they achieved it from. So you can just, it's information, but it's still, you can use that information to do what? To find out or to filter what you want to see. So among what will this system be able to collect is the CV of a member. So despite that, then we can allow the members to upload their CV. And if you click on this one, for example, see here CV. So if you click on that one, you'll be able to do what? To download the CV of this member. So if you click there, you can see the PDF file of the CV of this member has been downloaded. So the members can be able to also submit their their CVs. So here we shall have contact information about this member, their social media links, and their and their phone numbers and their emails. And then we shall allow the members to hide or to display their phone numbers. For example, you can see this member has hidden her phone number. Then here we shall show a snippet that will show the number of how popular this profile is. You can see here it has been viewed by 74 members who are in the system. So that's how much popular it is. So we shall show the popularity of a profile here. And then someone can also follow. So if you follow that profile, we shall be showing you the notifications of that member when they share something on top. So that's basic information that we can record about a profile of a certain member so far, but more can be added. So that's it. But so after looking at this profile, there's something else also. We can chat to this member. But before we chat to this member, let us first look at at edit. Okay, so to chat to the member, before we look at the edit profile, to chat to a certain member, you simply click on quick chat. Then if you click on quick chat, we shall show you a chat box that will allow you to chat with this member without refreshing the whole page or without loading a new chat. And here you can achieve it by simply clicking here on quick chat, and then it will be displayed. Then you can send this member a message. This is a simple message. and then when you send it, and in case those members reply you, this is how the message will pop up. And you can send a photo and any other file to that member. So you can also close that chat, that quick chat. Now if you want to see the full thread of a certain chat, if you want to chat in full mode, we'll have also that part of the system. You simply click here on send message, and then we'll bring you a full chat system of members. So you see, I've opened, I want to chat with this member, and right now I'm seen as this person. And if I want to say hello, I would like, then dash dash dash. So when I click on send, then my post will be placed here like this, and in case that member reply, it will pop up like that one. You can send files, you can send images, and here we shall show the member is online or the last time they were seen into the system. Then here we shall put some quick menus, and here we shall put also some other important menus that can help us to navigate through the system. So this is the main chat that we opened for the member that we are chatting with, and here there's also there's also other chats. So the previous chat threads, they will be placed here. So if you want to chat with this member, simply click here, and that chat will be loaded into this main thread. So these are other chats, and you can search across those chats. For example, you have too many chats, still you can search across those chats through this chat search box. So that's about chats, and we can proceed. So I'll go back to a member's profile. So you can go back to a member's profile by simply click on profile, and then you click on view profile. Then we'll be able back to the member's profile. Okay, and remember, we can also chat without even going to the main chat thread by using the quick chat feature. So we'll look at the editing of account, because the member will have to manage their accounts. So to edit an account, you simply click here on edit account or edit profile, and then we'll be able to do to take you to a place where you can edit your profile. Or another way to edit your profile, you can just simply come here to the right navigation menu, and then click on on your name, and then you'll be able to do to take you to a place where you can edit your profile. So this is a field, this is now a page where a member can be able to edit their profile. So we shall begin by asking them basic information such as their names, their nationality, their gender, the place where they work from, their birthday, if they want to specify it. We shall ask this in this place, and this photo can also be changed by simply clicking here and then select a certain photo, maybe this, and then will be made their profile photo. So if they want to save, they can simply click here on save or save and exit. So that's how the member's profile will be updated. So this is basic information, it is in this tab, and then the information about that account, it will be placed here. Maybe contacts will be placed here. Just simply click here, you see, and then you'll be able to submit your contacts, and then here you'll be able to change your password, and then here you'll be able to do to add your programs that you achieved at this university. So that is and you can save from this point, and that is where that is how a member will be able to do to manage their profile. Basic account, basic information, account information, contact information, maybe managing their passwords, as well as managing or adding a program that they achieved at this particular university from this section here. So that's where that's how you can edit you can edit a profile. So still, administrators will need more control on this system, such as managing members, managing the post, and seeing the analytics, the statistics of the system, how members are performing, how frequently they are visiting the system. All that information will be placed in the administrators panel, which is on bottom here. and this administrator panel will not be displayed to everyone. It will only be displayed to what? To the system admins. So for example, managing the members, we shall, instead of putting a list like this one, which is in form of grid, for the administrator we shall put that in form of what? In form of a list, or in form of a table, so that they should be able to simply manage the members. But we have not implemented that part, so it will be implemented in the real world. So we have the About Us section, and here it is. So to read about the system, for new members who want to read about the system, about this association, they can simply click on About. So the About will be here. We have the committee and the contacts, they'll also be here. So here we shall put a name, and here we shall put a cover photo for this About. It can be a photo of your team, it can be a photo of anything that you want. So the cover photo will be placed here, and this photo will be dynamic. Okay, and here we shall have maybe the links to the social media and the blog site, and here a member can search for anything. Also they can search for anything here, and then here we have the keywords, maybe the missions and the goals, or the important keywords, or key features of this association. And then here we shall have the information about the association, which will also be dynamic. And then here we shall have some action buttons. Okay, they'll be here. So those links can also as well be found here in the in the bottom. So we shall also make a page for committee, where you can see all the committee members, where you can see the contact information of this system. All it will be also put in place. So with that much said, I will assume that I've explored the demo of the alumni management system that we are planning to make for you. In case there is any question or ambiguity, you can ask us and be able to do what? To respond. And to sum it up, I'll summarize what we have looked at. A member can create an account, and they cannot log in into the account. They can log into the system until they're verified. A member can log in once they are verified into the system, and in case someone forget their password, they can be able to reset it. The company information is dynamic, and it can be changed anytime by the system administrators, such as the logo, the description, the name, the abbreviation can be changed. It is dynamic. We have 3 main navigations, which is the left hand navigation, the top hand the top bar navigation, and then the right hand navigation about a certain member. Then we also say that we can view profiles of members by simply clicking here, and then we'll be able to view snippets of profile. And we can search across profiles. We have a quick chat where we can chat through the member without opening their full profile. We have a full chat system where someone can chat with any member, and we have the main home page where we can have feeds and important communication, just like the way you've been seeing. And then a member can also manage their profile, and administrators will be able to do what? To manage the system, members, and everything into the system through administrators panel here. So those are the main the basic feature that we've just begin with for now. So before I end the video, I would like to inform you that this system is 100% responsive to the mobile phone. So I'll switch on into the mobile phone mode, and I just look at basic, not all, but some basic information of how to manage this system. So to switch on to the mobile phone the mobile phone mode, I just right click here and then come to inspect, and then it will load, and then to bring here a mobile phone here. So this is how it will look like on the Samsung Galaxy. This is how the system will look like on Samsung Galaxy. Let me zoom it so that you can see clearly. That's how the system look like on Samsung Galaxy. You see, this is the feeds. You see here now things are not sticky, but they are scrollable. This is how it will look like on Motorola G4 phone. Let me refresh that. It should load a mobile phone feed data. So this is how it will look like on a mobile phone, because we have considered mobile phones so much, because a lot of people these days they use mobile phone. So when you scroll on mobile phone, you can even go back on top by simply clicking here, and you'll be taken to top. You see, this top icon will be shown here. So this is how to look like on iPhone. That's how it look like on iPhone, and this is how it look like on iPad. There's iPad. It is here, iPad Pro. It is loading the iPad mode. This is how it look like on what? On iPad. So let me go back to a mobile phone, Samsung Fold, on a Fold phone. Okay, so let us go back to the mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy, and we just look at basic information about the system. We have here the menu. You can load the side menu by simply clicking here, and you see that side menu will be loaded here with well responsive. So I can click here to close that menu. I click here to load that top menu that we had. You remember it, and this information will be loaded here. Maybe you want to see the news, the profiles, and events. That is the second one here. And then you remember the right hand sidebar navigation. I can find it here, so that information will also be loaded here. You see, when I click here, then this right bar side navigation will be loaded. So that's it, is well responsive into the what? Into the mobile phone. So with that said, I think I won't go beyond here. You can test it on both mobile phone and computer and see how it really works on real devices. So I'll stop from here, and this system has been placed online for testing, for showcasing, and it is on alumni.ugnews24.info. So to log out, I just simply click on log out, and then I'll be placed back to the home page like this. So thank you for watching the video, and in case of any question, just be free to ask. See you next time, inshallah.